Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on your Motorola Moto G42. So let's open our Google Play Store, try finding Call of Duty. But there's no game right here. So to fix this, let's go back, click on your profile picture, move to the settings, reveal family, go for parental controls, and right here either disable parental controls entirely or go for apps and games, enter your PIN code, click OK and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and now let's search for the game again. And it's right here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.